Hello students. So let's continue our chapter nutrition in plants. In last video we have studied about process of Holozoic nutrition, which involves the ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion process. Now let's move on to the nutrition in amoeba. As you all know that amoeba is minute single-celled organism. It has no mouth or anus, and the food can be taken in at any point on the body surface. It feeds on the aquatic microscopic organisms. I repeat, amoeba is a single-celled organism. It has no mouth or anus. The food can be taken in at any point on the body surface. वो अपनी बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से फूड को अंदर ले सकता है and it feeds on the aquatic microscopic organisms. In nutrition in amoeba, the first process is ingestion. Ingestion is engulfing the food. So on coming in contact with prey, amoeba pushes finger-like pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are the false feet or false foot of amoeba, which are used for the movement and for feeding. And the false feet around the prey surrounds and engulfs it. The food organisms get trapped in a food vacuole within the body. अमीबा के पास फॉल्स फुट होते हैं जिनको कि सीरोपोडिया बोलते हैं. वो क्या करते हैं कि वो अपने प्रे के अराउंड और अपने होस्ट के आसपास चले जाते हैं और उसको इंगल्फ कर लेते हैं. अब वो फूड ऑर्गेनिजम्स अमीबा के अंदर एक फूड वैक्यूल प्रेजेंट होता है, उसमें जाकर इट गेट्स ट्रैप्ड. So after ingestion, the next process is digestion. The cytoplasm surrounding the food vacuole secretes some digestive enzymes into the food vacuole, and the food is digested into simple molecules. सेम वही चीज़ जो हमने पहले से भी पढ़ी थी डाइजेशन में कि जो कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं they get converted into simple molecules by some digestive enzymes. Now, before heading to absorption, cytoplasm is the protoplasm of a cell outside the cell nucleus. As you can see in the pictures, naming A, ingestion. Outside the nucleus, which is a black circle, is a nucleus. So outside the nucleus and inside the cell membrane, there is cytoplasm present in it. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure. Now absorption. The digested food diffuses into the surrounding cytoplasm. अब जो भी हमारा food digest हुआ है वो कहाँ पर diffuse हो जाएगा? That diffuses into the cytoplasm and is used for energy, growth and cell repair. Now the last process is egestion. In egestion, the food vacuole with undigested food moves to the body surface and ruptures it. Degrade कर देता है वो food को, and the undigested food is expelled out of the body at any point because amoeba has no anus. और उसके बाद जो undigested food है वो amoeba की body से कहीं से भी बाहर निकल जाता है because amoeba has no anus. There are different stages in the nutrition of amoeba. The first is ingestion, in which the pseudopodia engulfing the food. In B, the pseudopodia forming food vacuole. In C, the digestion process, food engulfed within the food vacuole in the cytoplasm. Now absorption, the digested food diffuses into the cytoplasm. Assimilation is assimilation of digested food, and the last is egestion, which is in which the undigested food thrown out of the body of amoeba. Thank you so much students, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.